Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see few date functions in Power BI. I'm using AdventureWorks data and I have loaded fact internet sales table and I added order date to this table. Now, let me display the only day, month, quarter and year separately using these functions. So let me quickly add new column. Order month equals month of fact internet sales table order date. And let me add this new column to this table. Don't summarize. Yeah. See, it is displaying month of the date only in a number. Fine. Now, let me write another DAX to display only the day. I'm adding order day to this table. Don't summarize. See, the day has been displayed here, and this is our month. Okay, no summarization. Yeah, so it is displaying month as a number and day. Now, let me create another column to display year alone. These are the simple functions which takes only a date column as an input. Make sure it's not summarized. Yeah, it is giving us year separately. And now let me write another column to display the quarter. Let me make sure it's not summarized by default. Yeah. See, it is giving me the quarter number in between 1 to 4. See, October, November, December, everything is a 4 and other numbers. Hope this is useful. Thank you.